Now I have to admit, I love Apple products, but their headphones, their new AirPod Max, I'm not sure why they use the term AirPod. I mean, I know they put some marketing behind AirPods, but to me, AirPods have always felt like the little ones you put in your ear, but these ones obviously are over the head, and they're wireless. They have 20 hours of battery life. They charge for 5 minutes and you'll get about an hour and a half worth of battery life out of them. They have active noise cancellation. It really does feel like a Me Too product. I haven't seen anything on their specs that scream, gotta have it. Apart from the fact that it's Apple, their marketing machine has done its job. The photos of the new headphones look great. I personally think they look good, especially the blue ones. I'm going to reserve myself a pair of those and I'll review them later on. But I can't help but feel they just seem like a Me Too product. There isn't anything in their specifications that makes me go, whoa, I've got to have those. Apart from the fact that they look different. They look good. And I believe they'll be good. But look, until I've got a set of them here on my head with my favorite tunes, I really can't say any more than that. Now, one thing that Apple have done is they've made the ear cups replaceable. So for $69 US or $99 Australian, you can get replacement ones, but you could also get different colors if you like. So if you want to have a set of gray headphones and you want the red ear cups, you can do that. If you want blue and white ear cups, you could do that too. It's entirely up to you, so you can at least make them a little bit more unique. That's about 25 different combinations of headphone and ear cups that you can have. So of course, without hearing them, we can't pass total judgment. However, the cost is dear. The Bose 700s that I bought cost $599. These are $899. Now, hopefully, for that sort of price, these things have to just rain down golden tears on your ears. These things have to be insanely good. Secondly, it doesn't come with a charger. So for some people, it's going to up your expenses. For others who already have an Apple charger, well, that's going to be fine. But it really does feel like a Me Too product. The specifications on these headphones are telling us that they last for 20 hours. So do my Bose. My Bose are 2 years old. It's Bluetooth. So is my Bose. It's active noise cancellation. So is my Bose. It's got a whole bunch of microphones built into it. So do the Bose. You know, at the moment, I'm seeing nothing that really separates itself from the competition, that including the Sonys that you can purchase. Those are both already established, and they're a heck of a lot cheaper. But we have to wait. It is an Apple product. Apple are very good at taking a product category and revolutionizing it. But on paper, I can't see this being a revolutionary product. I really hope it is. I hope we get a set of these and we just go, wow, this is what we've been missing. And for $899, well, I'm kind of expecting to feel that way. But we'll see. We've got a set on order, and as soon as they arrive, we'll let you guys know. So, hey, let us know in the comments what you think of them. I think they look great. But, you know, until I have them in my hand, who can tell? So, tell me what you guys think. Are you going to buy a pair? $899. I suppose the best thing about having active noise cancellation is that you can tune out the sounds of all the poor people who don't have them. Because at that price, you're going to have some coin. It's not cheap. Now, hopefully, when I get them in my hand, I'll be saying, it's been well worth it. These are incredible. But we just don't know. So I'm going to reserve my judgment on the comfort, the fit, and of course the sound. Three things that are really going to be important for a set of headphones, or in any set of headphones, but let alone ones that cost $900. But I'm just really perplexed about the design of the case. If you even want to call it a case, it kind of covers the ear cups, but that's it. Now they market it as it's going to keep these in a low powered state, thus improving your battery or keeping more battery in it. So when you come back later on, they're going to be charged and not drained. But that case is ugly, man. It really is. It looks like, oh, in fact, the first thing my wife said when I showed her, she goes, it looks like a bra. And now that sort of the internet has gone wild with this, they're all saying the same thing. Everyone's gone, it looks like a padded bra. And other people have said that the cable, the headband looks like a panty liner. And I never really thought of it that way until I looked at it and gone, actually, it kind of does. But hey, look, it's got Apple talking about their product. The price certainly has people talking about their product. Heck, I'm talking about the product. And I'm still going to get one. I'm still going to give it a go. But if it isn't the most amazing sound I've heard in a set of headphones for $899, I'll be sending them back. So watch your space. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will get that video to you as soon as I have a set. And look, we'll see if it's worth it. I really hope it is. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to click the buttons down there because they're important buttons. Click them all. Just click it, click, click, click. Do that. It'll make you feel good. And you have a great day.